I need you, fly like a bird. Ooh, ah. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another reaction video, guys. So on today's video, we're going to be reacting to a new artist, like which goes by the name, sorry if I'm going to pronounce this name in a very wrong manner, please correct me in the comment section. And her name is Morissette Amon, right? I think I'm correct. Please guys, correct me if I'm wrong, pardon me. So guys, today we're going to be reacting to her song, which goes by the name Fly Like a Bird. Like she's flying like a bird. Is she really gonna fly like a bird? We're gonna find out in a short while, guys. So this is also based on recommendation I got in the comment section down below to react to this one of her song. And wow, the person told me I'm gonna like really like this, so I decided to give it a try. And you know, I've never heard anything about her. I don't really know anything about her, but I just say today, let's just see how it goes. Like, let me try and react to her song today. So guys, we are going to be doing that. So guys, if you're new to my channel, this is your girl in America, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. I welcome you all guys to my wonderful and amazing family, guys. So I also did a couple of reactions, which I'm going to be leaving up the link here or here. Please also do me a favor and check that out after you watch this one, guys. So guys, let's not wait much of the time. Let's just head straight into the video, guys.
There's a place up above, though my heart is struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love, the one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home. How can we recover?
Guys, oh my goodness. First of all, I love the way she came in. Like, she's a stylish girl. One, I love her intro, and also she looks so pretty, and you know, she is amazing. Like, she has an amazing voice. Like, what? I'm already in love with her. I'm in love with her. What? Her voice sounds so unique. She has this kind of unique voice, and I feel her voice like deep inside of me too. Like, you know, she has this kind of sweet melodious voice, like sweetens one's heart. You can't just watch this her reaction, like I mean this her song, and not just fall in love with her. Like, her voice is charming. Her voice has charmed me already, guys. Let's keep watching.
Can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality? If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, don't let the world break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you'll come and carry me home.
She like does this carry me home. Woo! Like, wow. This girl is amazing. Oh my goodness. This Emma's girl, please. You're really flying like a bird though, according to the title of the song. Like, she's really flying like a bird. Her voice has already captivated me all over. What?
I need you right now. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up. What does love you
No, guys, she's good. She's really good and amazing. Oh my god. So the way she's taking it. I need you fly like a bird. Oh, without not even breaking. Some people are talented in this world though. Some people are just special angels that God just sent from above to just come and bless our generation. One person will have all this type of voice. Not just a melodious voice, but a captivating one, like a charming voice at that. Guys, that high tone to end a music. Some people are just amazing, like they're angels in human form. What? I'm in love with her. Oh my goodness. So guys, thank you all for watching today's reaction with me. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up, guys. Give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, share to your family and friends, guys. If you also want me to react to any more of her song, please kindly leave your comments in the comment section down below and I'll be glad to react to any one of her songs you want me to react to. Thank you all for watching today's video with me. Until I see you again in my next one. Love you all. Bye.